Hey everyone, this is the overview video for the next 2 days. So this is going to be for Monday the 18th and Wednesday the 20th. So unfortunately, we can't do actual dissections, which I know a lot of you were looking forward to in this class. So the next best thing is to do them virtually and to be able to at least watch a video and make some observations. I know it's not the same, but it's the best that we can do at this point. So that's what we're getting into now. The first dissection that we would have been doing in class would have been the heart. And we would have been doing a sheep heart, which is what you'll be observing here. So the reason I'm doing this over 2 days is because there's a bunch of stuff for you to look at here and a couple things for you to do. So the first thing is this heart dissection PowerPoint, and this walks through and it points out some of the parts of the heart. Looking at a diagram of the heart and looking at the actual heart are two totally different things. Diagrams are usually colored and they're nicely labeled. The heart is going to be all one color, and some of the structures are really difficult to look at. So I really stress the fact that you should look at this PowerPoint, go through it, click through it, and just, either take notes or have it there when you are filling out your questions. This right here is the actual virtual dissection, or technically video of the dissection. So you're going to see this Google Doc that's attached to that assignment, and what I did was I hyperlinked in 2 parts to the video of these guys doing the dissection. So part 1 goes over like the outer parts of the heart, how to orient the heart and all that kind of stuff, and then part 2 actually gets into it. So as you're watching the video, whether you split screen it or put this on one screen that you have and put it on the other, that's fine. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. I'm also really flexible. I know some of you don't really like Google Docs, and I 100% get that if you're typing on an iPad. If you want to print it and fill in the questions and send me a picture, if you want to save it and insert it into there's an app called PDF Cabinet that you can write on it. Whatever is going to make it easier for you that you can get the questions filled in, you go for it. And then last but not least, there's a heart dissection quiz. So after you do the Google Doc, then you can go in and do the quiz. Again, you're getting 2 days for this, so if you want to do the heart dissection and answer the questions on one day, because the PowerPoint and then the videos, that will take you probably a good 30 to 45 minutes to do, and then the quiz after that will take you probably another 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to get it all out in one day, that's perfectly fine, but again, you have pretty much this entire week to do all that. Again, I'm sorry we can't do the dissections. This is kind of the next best thing, so hopefully you're able to enjoy that and get a look at what a sheep heart looks like. If you have any questions, as always, send me an email, send me a Schoology message. We can Zoom, anything that you guys need. Have a good one.